Yes, today I am going to start chapter 2, Identities. In this chapter, firstly we will learn about what is formula, what is equation, what is identity. After that, we will learn what is subject, how to calculate subject, then substitution method, then special products. After that, applying identities a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Next, we will learn a plus b, a minus b. This concept we are going to learn in this chapter. Before starting this chapter, firstly, I want to explain what is equation and what is identity. Students, listen carefully. What is the main difference between equation and identity? Suppose I am writing here x plus 2 is equal to 4. This is equation or identity. X plus 2 is equal to 4. This is equation or identity. This is equation. How we are identifying this is equation? Equation means balancing between two sides is called equation. Balancing between two sides is called equation. It means the value, if the value of LHS is equal to RHS, then we can say that is called equation. Equation, one simple concept we can say, equation has an equal sign between two sides. Equation has an equal sign between two sides. What is two sides here? The value of LHS is equal to the value of RHS. It means if I am writing here x plus 2 whole square, x plus 2 whole square, this is called identity. What is the difference between equation and identity? Equation is true for some particular values, but identity is true for all values. Equation is true for some values, but identity is true for all value. What is the meaning of some value on all value? In first, x plus 2 is equal to 4 is given. In the place of x, which value I want to take, it will become 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now this equation is valid for only 2. Okay. Can we take any other value to become 4? No. Only in the place of x we can take 2, then it will become 4. But if I am talking about identity, in the place of x I can take any value. 1 plus 2 whole square, 2 plus 2 whole square, 3 plus 2 whole square, 4 plus 2 whole square. It means equation is true for some values and identity is true for all values. I will give each and every concept, don't worry. How to identify this is equation? Wherever you are getting equality sign, that is called equation. It means equation has an equal sign between two sides, right? In this chapter, firstly, I am going to explain about formula. Note down formula. First concept of in this chapter, formula. Formula. Formula is an equation. Formula is an equation. Formula is an equation showing relationship between two or more quantities or variable. Formula is an equation showing relationship between showing relationship between two or more quantities or variables. Formula is an equation showing relationship between two or more quantities or variables. Next, keep heading equation. These are the basic concepts, students. Note down. Equation. What is the plural of formula? Formulae. Formulae. Singular is the formula and plural is the formulae. Note down equation. Equation has an equal sign. Equation has equation has an equal sign. The symbol of is equal to. Equation has an equal sign between two sides. How to identify this is equation? Wherever we are getting equality symbol, that is called equation. It means you can write down the value of LHS. The value of LHS is equal to the value of LHS is equal to the value of RHS. The value of RHS. Wherever you are getting equality sign, that is called equation. If the value of LHS is equal to the value of RHS, that is called equation. Sorry for inconvenience. Yeah, don't worry, I am here. I am not going anywhere. Yes. What is equation? Equation has an equal sign between two sides. The value of LHS is equal to the value of RHS. Now I am writing some statement. You have to write in equation form. Example, a number x, a number x a number x decreased by 5, decreased by 5 gives 10. A number x, already number he has given x, no need to assume. A number x decreased by 5 gives 10. Tell me students, how to write equation? A number x, already he has given number is x, decreased by means, decrease means plus or minus, minus. A number x decreased means minus, decreased by 5 is equal to 10, gives means is equal to 10. This is simple equation. A number x decreased by 5 gives 10. Example 2. Example 2. If a number x is multiplied by 5, if a number x multiplied by 5, if a number x multiplied by 5 and 2 is taken away, 2 is taken away from it, 2 is taken away from it, the result is 4 times the numbers. The result is 4 times the number. You have to think very carefully, students. What is this question? He has given, if a number x, number is x, already he has given in the statement. If a number x, concentrate everyone here, like that question is coming at least 3-4 times, you have to read the statements. If a number x multiplied by 5, x into 5 means 5x. If a number x multiplied by 5, 5x, and 2 is taken away means plus or minus, minus, taken away means minus 2, taken away from it, the result means is equal to, yeah, gives, result is 4 times a number. 4 times means 4 into x, 4x. He is not asking find the value of x only. Here they have given statements, we are writing in equation form. 5x minus 2 is equal to 4x. Example 3. In this question, x multiplied by 5, 2 taken away means minus, and result is 4 times a number. 5x minus 2 is equal to 4x. Example 3. If 5 is added, this little bit I am twisting question. If 5 is added to both numerator and denominator, numerator and denominator, numerator and denominator of a certain fraction, of a certain fraction, its value is, its value is 2 by 3. Express this fact by a formula. Express this fact by a formula. Don't afraid, I am here. I will explain how to do. First, we have to read this statement at least 3 times. If 5 is added to the both numerator and denominator of a certain fraction, concentrate everyone here. Firstly, I am assuming let the fraction be x by y. Okay, x is numerator, y is denominator. Let the fraction be x by y. After that, what he has given, if 5 is added to both numerator and denominator, it means I want to add 5 into numerator and 5 into denominator, and its value gives 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Simple question. X plus 5 by y plus 5 is equal to 2 by 3. This is our formula. Example 4. I hope this question is very clear to everyone. Right. Note down this question. Yes. Nutan is 10 years older than example 4. Nutan is one girl name. Nutan is 10 years older than Shushan. 10 years older than Shushan. Shushan is X years old. Shushan is X year old. 3 years ago, 3 years ago, Nutan's age was Nutan's age was twice that of Susan's age. 3 years ago, Nutan's age was twice that of Susan's age. Write the formula for this statement. We want to read this question very carefully. Nutan is 10 years older than Susan. It means whose age is greater, Nutan or Susan? Nutan is 10 years older than Susan. If Susan is X, Nutan will be X plus 10. After that, he has given 3 years ago. Ego means plus or minus? Minus. Understood? You have to read this statement very carefully. Nutan is 10 years older than Susan. Susan is X year old. Note down. Present age of Susan is equal to X years. Already this is given in the question. Present of Susan is equal to X years. Now present age of Nutan is equal to first line. Read very carefully. Nutan is 10 years older than Susan. It means Nutan age is more. X plus 10 years. Now I want to find out 3 years ago what is the age of Susan. X minus 3. 3 years ago what is the age of Nutan. X plus 10 minus 3. Note down. 3 years ago 3 years ago Susan's age is equal to X minus 3 years. 3 years ago Nutan's age is equal to, tell me student, X plus 10 was the present age and 3 years ago minus 3. It means X plus 7 plus 10 minus 3 both are unlike term. We want to do subtraction. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. After subtraction, I want to check which value is the greater value, the respective sign I want to keep here. Plus 10 is the greater means plus 7. X plus 7 years. Now we want to write formula. According to given condition what he has given, Nutan's age was twice that of Susan's age. According to given statement, a given condition, according to given condition, according to given condition he has given, Nutan's age was twice that of Susan's age. It means x plus 7 is equal to twice of Susan's age. This is the formula. X plus 7 is equal to twice into x minus 3. Twice of x minus 3. X plus 7 is equal to, we can say 2 into x minus 3 or twice of x minus 3. Yes. Next key heading, subject. Subject is not math subject, Hindi subject, Telugu subject. This subject is the algebra subject. How to calculate subject. Keep heading everyone, subject. Keep heading, subject. Yeah. Everyone. Subject. Firstly, I want to explain this concept, then I will give proper statements and proper What is the definition? Listen carefully, everyone. Suppose I am writing x plus y is equal to 4. Listen my word very carefully. I have written here x plus y is equal to 4. Listen carefully, everyone. I am saying, I am asking, make x as a subject. Listen my word. I have written one equation, x plus y is equal to 4. I want to make x as a subject. Which variable is asking? That variable we want to make as a subject. That variable we want to keep one side and remaining will transfer to the other side. 4 minus plus y became minus y. X is equal to 4 minus y. Here x is subject. Here x is subject. If I want to make any variable as a subject, in the question they will mention make x as a subject. If I want to make x as a subject, means that variable we want to keep one side, remaining will transfer to the other side. Second example, concentrate. Second example, if I am writing 2xy plus t is equal to 4x square plus 7. Concentrate my question. 2xy plus t is equal to 4x square plus 7. I am asking, make t as a subject. Make t as a subject. It means that variable we want to keep one side and remaining I want to transfer to the other side. This t I will write same, plus 2xy I will transpose minus 2xy. 4x square plus 7 minus 2xy. I hope you are getting my point. How to make as a subject? Which variable we want to make as a subject? That variables we want to keep one side and remaining variable I want to transfer to the other side. One more example I am writing. Concentrate. Don't write. One more example I am writing. Concentrate, everyone. If I am writing 2x plus 3y is equal to z. Concentrate. 2x plus 3y is equal to z. I want to make x as a subject. I want to make x as a subject. Along with x, what is there? 2 also is there. Which means 2x I will keep one place and remaining I want to transfer to the other side. Z plus 3y I want to transfer to the right side, minus 3y. I want to make x as a subject, not 2x. 2x means 2 into x. Multiplication quantity became division. X is equal to z minus 3y whole divided by 2. Just now we got it, x as a subject. It means, I hope you are getting my point. Any variable I want to make as a subject, that variables we want to keep one side and remaining we want to transfer to the other side. Note down concept. The subject of a formula the subject of a formula is the variable is the variable that is expressed in terms of other variables, in terms of the other variables comma is called change of a subject Change of a subject of a formula. First star point, the subject of a given formula the subject of a given formula can be changed to obtain a formula for a particular quantity. For a particular quantity. Example 1. X plus y is equal to z. I want to make x as a subject. I want to make x as a subject. I can write here x is equal to z minus y. X is equal to z minus y. What is x here? X is subject. Now you are observing x is representing in terms of z and y. X is representing in terms of z and y. What is the subject? X is subject. Right here, x is expressed in terms of y and z. So x is subject. X is expressed in terms of y and z. So x is a subject. Example 2. In a formula, V is equal to U plus AT. First law of motion. V is equal to U plus AT. First law of motion. V is equal to U plus AT. Make A as a subject. Make A as a subject. V is equal to U plus AT. Make A as a subject. It means AT I want to keep one side, remaining I want to transfer to the other side. V is equal to U plus AT. V minus U is equal to AT. V minus U by T is equal to A.